Yes. Now I am audible, right? Perfect. Perfect. Okay. Yes, so today we will be discussing the previous year questions of circles chapter. So the first question for today. The first question states that tangents drawn from the point P 1, 8 to the circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 11 equals to 0 touch the circle at points A and B. The equation of the circumcircle of triangle PAB is. The equation of the circumcircle of triangle PAB is. First question. Equation of circumcircle of triangle PAB. Okay. One second. Let me just clear these pages. This is from the previous session. Straight lines का discussion we were doing, right? These are from that. Okay. So, the first question. So, the circle का center, the given equation का circle center will be what? The center of the circle, say C, will be equal to 3, 2. C value will be 3, 2. So, if I have a circle, 3, 2, C value. Okay. So, you have a point A and the point B where the tangent from P will be touching them. Okay, the tangent from P. And what is the point P? 1, 8. Okay, the circumcircle of this PAB triangle means what? The circle will be touching all the 3 points. So, this should be a proper circle, obviously. Couldn't draw it with the pencil online in a perfect way. Anyways, the perpendiculars from C to A and B will be the radius, as we all know, from center to the point of intersection of tangent. Okay, and let me just join PC as well. Okay, now since we all know that CA and CB are perpendicular to PA and PB. PA and PB, it is perpendicular. Okay, because the line joining the point of intersection with the center will be always perpendicular to the tangent. Okay, so and what about CP? CP will be clearly the diameter of your circumcircle. Am I right? The diameter of your circumcircle. Okay, of this triangle PAB. Check out yourself. Okay, it will be the diameter. It passes through the center. Okay, And then we have, okay, how do we consider, or how do we know that PC is the diameter? How did I conclude it? So these two lines which I am drawing, say A and B, are 2 points on the other two sides of the chord PC. And how much angle does they make? They are making 90 degree. That means the angle made by PC with the center of the circle will be equal to double that of 90 degree, which is 180 degree. And a chord making 180 degree, which is passing through the center, will be what? Clearly the diameter of that circle, which is the circumcircle of the triangle PAB. Okay, so the equation is, the equation of the circle can be called as, say, x plus x minus 3 into x minus 1 plus y minus 2 into y minus 8 equals to 0, which can be written as, if I am expanding it and writing, it will be x square plus y square minus 4x minus 10y plus 19 equals to 0. Clear? Hence, option 2 will be your answer. Option 2. Option 2 will be your answer. Okay? Perfect. Moving on to your second question. Question number 2. So this is a JEE, IIT JEE 2011 ka question. The question states that the circle passing through the point minus 1, 0 and touching the y-axis at 0, 2 also passes through the point. So the circle passing through the point minus 1, 0 and touching y-axis at 0, 2 also passes through either of these 4 points. Which is that point is what we are supposed to find out. Try the question. Yes, I hope you all have solved the question. In next 30 seconds, I will start explaining the question. Okay, so let us discuss the solution. Second question. So the equation of circle touching the y-axis. Okay, so the equation of circle touching y-axis at 0, 2 is what? You will be getting x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square plus lambda x equals to 0. Okay, now this equation, it is said that this line or this circle passes through what? This passes through minus 1 comma 0. Okay, therefore you will be getting 1 plus 4 plus lambda minus 1, right? It will be minus lambda equal to 0, which implies what is my lambda value here? I will be getting my lambda value to be equal to 5. Okay, now the equation of circle will be, in that case, x square plus y square plus 5x minus 4y plus 4 equals to 0. Okay, now putting y equals to 0, what do we get? We will get the x value to be either equal to minus 1 or minus 4. Therefore, I can say that the circle passes through. minus 4 0. Okay, perfect. Try to do this question. The next question. The answer is option 4, okay? The answer for the previous question was option 4. Check out the next question. So this is a IIT JEE 2012 ka question. Okay. So the question states that the locus of the midpoint of the chord of contact, COC, chord of contact, of tangents drawn from the points lying on the straight line. The straight line ka equation is 4x minus 5y equals to 20. To the circle x square plus y square equal to 9s. This is a good question. The locus of midpoint of chord of contact of tangents drawn from the point lying on straight line 4x minus 5y equals to 20. Fourth circle, x square plus y square equal to 9 is. Circle ka equation is x square plus y square equal to 9. Line ka equation is 4x minus 5y equals to 20. The point is lying on this line, and from that point we have drawn the tangents to the circle, that is x square plus y square equal to 9 is the circle. Okay, and that tangents ka chord of contact you're supposed to find out, and the locus of the midpoint of this chord of contact you're supposed to get in the end. Yes, so let us start with the explanation of the third question. Question number 3. So let us draw the figure first. So we have our x-axis, y-axis, and then we have our circle with the equation x square plus y square equal to 9. Okay, the center will be O of the circle, origin. Okay, then we have the straight line. We have the straight line, this one. This is a straight line. Okay, with the equation, I can write as x by 5. Okay, minus y by 4 equals to 1. This format I have used. Okay, yes. So we have to find this point on the line such a way that we are drawing the tangents. Okay, one tangent, other tangent. Tangents are meeting at the point A and B. Okay, and the chord of contact will be, say, A. Okay, and let the midpoint of this chord of contact be P. I am representing it as H, K. Okay, so writing down all these explanations, I have the equation of the chord AB, okay, which is bisected by P, H, comma, K. The equation will be what of that chord? Hx plus ky equals to h square plus k square. Okay, so let any the point on the line, we are going to consider the point on the line. Okay, so let the point on the line from which I am drawing the tangent. Okay, B, say one point be alpha, the other point will be what? 4 upon 5 alpha minus 4 x comma y. Okay, so this point will be alpha comma 4 upon 5 alpha minus 4. Okay, perfect. Now, the equation of the code of contact. Code H, we forgot. Code of contact ABS. What will be the equation? It will become alpha x, let me write it neat, alpha x plus 4 by 5 alpha minus 4 times y equals to 9. Okay, so let me consider this as my first equation and this as my second equation. Okay, so comparing the first and second, so from 1 and 2, we are getting the information that h upon alpha, okay, will be equal to k upon 4 by 5 alpha minus 4, which will be equal to what? H square plus k square upon 9. The comparison they have done, that is the x coefficient comparison, the y coefficient comparison and the constant term ka comparison. Okay, from here I can conclude that my alpha value is nothing but 20h upon 4h minus 5k. Alpha value is nothing but 20h upon 4h minus 5k. Okay, now further if I am solving, I will be getting that h into 4h minus 5k upon 20h is equal to h square plus k square upon 9. Okay, then 20 times h square plus k square is equal to 9 times 4h plus minus 5k. Minus 5k. Okay, then again 20 of h and k I am going to convert in terms of what? X and y. Okay, so 20 times x square plus y square will be equal to what? 36x minus 45y. Taking all of them to one side, my equation of the midpoint, locus of the midpoint of the code of contact will be 20x square plus 20y square minus 36x plus 45y equals to 0. That will be my final answer, which is option, yes, it will be option 1. Option 1. Okay? I believe there are no doubts. Option 1 was the answer. Final answer, just let me write option 1. Okay, perfect. Moving on to your Fourth question. Question number 4. Circles touching the x-axis at a distance of 3 units from the origin and having an intercept of length 2 root 7 on y-axis is or are. Is or are they have given. So this is a multi-correct answer question and this was asked in JEE Advanced 2013. Yes, dear. Option 1 was correct. I believe you were trying to tell that answer for the third question. Kishore Reddy, good work. That is correct. Try to do the fourth question, which is a multi-correct answer question. So, more than one options are correct. Check it out and let me know. Take your time and solve, Kishore. Triangle gets formed at a distance of 3 units from the origin. Okay. And having an intercept of 2 root 7. Okay, you have already given the answers 1 and 3. Very good, Kishore. The right answer is 1 and 3 options. Good. Let me discuss that. The solution for others. Okay. Perfect. Good work. So, if I'm considering the fourth question, okay. So, the figure, let me draw the figure for you. I have a figure y-axis, x-axis, circle. Oh, very bad circle. Little better. The next circle. Oh. Yeah. Two circles. Okay. The origin is O. This is my x-axis. This is my y-axis. Okay. So I have the point D. Then I have the point B. Okay. Then first circle, consider the blue one. Okay. So the center of the circle will be what? 3, 4. The point C. Okay. And the perpendicular distance to be taken is what? M we are considering. Okay. Now C dash will be what? The mirror image of it, that will be plus 3 minus 4. Minus 4, the mirror image. Okay. So we will be having, yes, like this. Okay. Now BC I am going to connect. Perfect. So in the figure, okay, shows the circle touching x-axis at the point, say 3, so the point A is 3, 0. Okay. The circle is touching the x-axis at the point 3, 0. And having an intercept BD, we have an intercept BD of length what? The length of BD is 2 root 7. Sorry, 2 root 7. 2 root 7. Okay, on the y-axis. Now, from the figure, the abscissa of center is what? Abscissa of the center. That is my x coordinate. Is equal to 3. Okay. And my BC value. What will be the BC value? That is the radius. Radius of the circle. Okay. Radius of the circle can be considered as root of cm square plus bm square, which is root of 9 plus 7. Okay. bm is root 7. dm is root 7. That is why total it is 2 root 7. Okay. Because that is the chord BD and CM is the bisector, perpendicular bisector of the chord BD. So each of the half length will be root 7. Root 7 ka square is 7. Which is again equals to what? You will be getting, yes, 4 as the answer. Yes, 16, 4. 4 will be your answer. Yes. So therefore, what will be the length of AC? The length of AC should be also, equals to 4 unit, because that is also the radius of the same circle. Okay. So the center of the circles are what? You have C, 3, 4 and C dash. So you have the center of the circle C to be 3, 4 and C dash will be what? 3, 4 minus 4. Okay. Hence the equation of the circle. So either of them can be the center of the circle. So the equation will be what? Your equation of the circle will be x minus 3 whole square plus y plus or minus 4 whole square to be equal to what? 16, 4 square, radius square. Okay. So you will be getting x square plus y square plus minus 6x, okay, plus or minus 8y plus 9 equals to 0. So that would be your answer, which is option, either plus or minus you can go. So that is option 1 and option 3. So option 1 and 3 will be your answer. Option 1, 3. Multi-correct answer question it is. Video is lagging. Wait for a minute. Now the video will not lag, I believe. The problem has been rectified. Next question. This is also a multi-correct answer question. The circle S passes through the point 0, 1 and is orthogonal to the circle x minus 1 whole square plus y square equal to 60 and y square plus x square equal to 1. Then, which among the four options are correct? Okay. Little bit, there is still lag. Now I believe there is no lag. The video which I am seeing, there is no lag, I believe, right? So this is also a multi-correct answer question. No lag, yes, perfect. Circle S passes through the point 0, 1 and is orthogonal to the circle x minus 1 whole square plus y square equal to 60 and x square plus y square equal to 1. Then, which among the four options are correct? So this is a JEE Advanced 2014 wala question. Arey wah, Kishore, right answer. Very good. Yes, the right answer is option 2 and 3. Good work, Kishore. Let me just explain the question. So, the fifth question for today. Okay. So, we have two circles here. Okay. S1, which is x square plus y square minus 2x minus 15 equals to 0, and S2, which is x square plus y square minus 1 equals to 0. Okay, the center of the circle which intersects above two circles orthogonally lies on the radical axis of the circle, which is S1 minus S2 to be equal to 0, or I can say x plus 7 equals to 0. So let the center of the required circle, okay, center of the required circle be C minus 7k. Okay, circle can pass through the point, say circle passes through the point A 0, 1. Okay, so what I can say, the radius of the circle R will be equal to root of 7 square plus k minus 1 whole square. Okay, now again, the radius is equal to what? The length of the tangent from C to any one of the given circle. Okay, so I can write that the radius is the length of the tangent. Okay, length of the tangent from C, okay, to any one circle. Any one circle. Okay, so what is R value? Root of 7 square plus k square minus 1. Okay, now on comparing, we will be getting 7 square plus k minus 1 whole square, okay, is equal to 7 square plus k k square minus 1. So from here you will get minus 2k plus 1 is equal to minus 1. So k value is equal to what? You will get k value to be equal to 1, which implies radius r will be equal to 7. Substituting in this. Okay. So the radius value will be 7. Okay. So hence option 2 is correct. That is radius is 7. What will be the center S value? Center will be minus 1. One second. Yes. Center will be minus 7 and plus 1. Minus 7 and plus 1. Oh. Center will be, k value is plus 1, right? So C will be minus 7 plus 1. Hence options 2 and 3 are the right options. Clear? I believe all of it, the answers are clear. So I'll give you one last question as your homework for the next class, where we will be discussing the previous year questions, PYQs of circles. The next time we will be discussing the solution of this as well. So this is your 6th question. Try to do is add a homework. This will be your homework for the next class. Try it. So given that, let RS be the diameter of the circle x square plus y square equal to 1. Where S is the point 1, 0. Let P be a variable point other than R and S on the circle, and tangents to the circle at S and P meet at the point Q. The normal to the circle at P intersects a line drawn through Q parallel to RS at point E. Then the locus of E passes through the point or points. So this is also a multi-correct answer question. Try to solve it. You can take the screenshot. So this was asked in JEE Advanced 2016. Good question. Try to solve it. Get the answers. It is a multi-correct answer question. And if you have any doubt regarding the question, we'll be discussing it in the upcoming class of the circles chapter discussion. So tomorrow we will be having 2 PYQ sessions. One will be for pair of straight lines. The next session will be for trigonometric ratios. Okay. So the first class will be conducted at 11, just like today. And the second class will be at 12:30. 1 hour classes. We'll be doing questions, and the solution discussion will be also done. Okay. So I want all of you to join for tomorrow's class as well. Okay, so any other queries? No, I believe. So I'll see you all tomorrow. Take care. Bye-bye.